Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am so excited about this giveaway. Bondcrafter reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in doing a giveaway of the UV resin on my channel. And because I really enjoy using their UV resin, I said yes, of course I will. The requirements of this giveaway is the winner, it has to be a resident of the US. You have to be subscribed to the Bondcrafter YouTube channel. I will have that their channel linked in the description box. You have to be a subscriber to this channel. You have to like this video and comment on this video. I will be announcing the winner within 72 hours after this video is posted, and that announcement will be in a separate video. I will not be announcing it in the comments or anything like that. So if you see anything in the comments where the person looks like me asking for contest information or anything like that, don't respond to that. It's not me. It will be done in a separate video. I will pick a winner and announce the winner once we've established that the requirements have been met. So I'm real excited about this. Okay, I am going to be making some earrings using this mold here. I have some nail art shells here. I have my little paddle to mix my resin. I have this little tool here. I have my dotting tool. It's got the silicone tip on the end. My little spoon. Some tweezers. For the jewelry part, I have a pair of bent nose pliers and a pair of needle nose pliers. So that is what I have. We're also going to need a UV lamp. I have the double-sided light. You're going to need the UV torch for this one and some UV resin. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay, and I'm going to mix up some resin. And I'm going to take my Mayspring Dazzling Diamond and a spoon, and I'm going to put a nice big dollop in there. And I'm going to take my little paddle here and mix it up. You want to make sure that whatever you use in your UV resin, that the light can pass through it. If the light can't pass through it, whether it's the mold, you want to use a clear mold or a translucent mold, and the pigment, you don't want the pigment so dark that the light can't pass through it. If it can't pass through it, it will not cure. It will stay sticky. So I have that. I'm going to get this out. I'm going to move the shells for a minute. I'm going to bring my mold in. Okay, now I want the top part of the mold to have this in there. I'm going to get my light ready because I don't want this whole mold filled with this dazzling diamond. So I'm going to pour some in like so, one at a time. I'm going to get my light ready, but I'm going to bring that down the dazzling diamond UV resin. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more than halfway. I don't want a straight line. I'll probably end up creating a straight line, even though that's not what I want. That doesn't matter. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that. Well, first I'm going to pop the bubbles. Then I'm going to set it. This just keeps the dazzling diamond UV resin from filling up the whole mold. I'm just using this pretty much just to lock it in place, not to actually cure the whole thing. I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, now I'm going to take some clear UV resin and I'm going to put some in the bottom. And I'm going to wipe off my tool because I don't want no dazzling diamond in there. Move that around. Flip it around. Do the same thing on this side. Hope I'm in frame. I'm not trying to fill up the mold, just want to get some resin in there. Again, I'm going to turn it around so I can see up in here. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to get into my little shells here. And I'm just going to start dropping some shells in. One more right there. If I can get it to drop off of there. There we go. I'm going to turn it around. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, I'm going to pop the bubbles. And I'm going to set this in my light for 1.5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to take my UV resin and I'm going to top off the mold. Put some on this side. Get my dotting tool in there. You want to do this in layers. You don't want to cure UV resin in a thick layers. Thin layers are better. So got that one. I'll probably add another little layer on this after I cure it. Just moving the resin to the around in the mold. If you see the resin separating, then you don't have enough in there. Like this one needs a little bit more. Okay. That's good. This looks like it could use a little more in there. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to pop the bubbles. Okay, I'm going to set it in my light for another minute. Okay, that is cured. Now we're going to take it out of the mold. I'm going to flip the mold over. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to place it down like so. Just want to make sure I got the right side going down there. Just set it on a larger ones like that. Now we're going to back it with some UV resin. Just going to top coat the back, or what would actually be the front. I'm going to bring out that sparkle in that glitter and in the those shells that we have down. Because top coating it really finishes it off. So I'm just going to drag the resin to the edge. I'll do this one on camera. Then the other one I'll do off camera. Just want to drag it to the edge. You don't need a thick coat on here, just a real thin, nice little thin coat. Try not to get it in the hole, but if you do, that's why you have that hand drill. That's what that's for. Now to keep it from going everywhere, I'm going to pop the bubbles. And I'm going to set it with my light. Just to keep it from moving. Okay, I'm going to let this cure for 2 minutes now. Okay, here we have the 2 earrings right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Just put them up on the black. Keep them on there. Aren't those pretty? Okay, we're going to finish them off. I have some, let me take these gloves off. Hands are getting. I have some fishhook earrings, jump rings. These are the smaller ones here. This. Let me get my tools. Okay, I'm going to open up, hold this like this, open it up like this. Am I in frame? I think so. If these are too big, I will change them out. I don't think they are. I'm going to close them up. Same with this one. Open it up. Sometimes I have a hard time getting that through there. Close it. Okay. I always like to feel the top to make sure it's closed. I'm going to take the small one. Open it. Do this way. Feed that through there. Like so. I'm going to have the hook face me. And then I'm going to close it. Close it. Is it closed? I don't know why I struggle with these. Okay, now I will do the other one off camera. And there is the earrings. Aren't those pretty? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, let me know. I really appreciate it. Really do. I really appreciate it. By leaving a comment on my channel, and as long as you're subscribed to my channel and Bondcrafter's channel, you'll automatically be entered in the giveaway. Let me know if you are a U.S. Resident when you comment, so that just makes it easier for me to pick the winner. I wish this was open to everybody. When I do my giveaway, I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers, and that will be open to everybody. So I'll just letting you know. Okay? So I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. And you have a great day, and God bless. Bye.